Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to wrap text in Google Docs. So I have my image right here. And if you want to wrap the text, you just click on this image. You see different wrap options. By the way, I did a left click, just a normal one. So this is inline, right? This is by default. So I can come here to the right of this image and type something in. For example, answer ASAP, right? And the other one, what happens is if I click on this again, I choose this one. This is wrap text. I can even move this image. So now the text wraps around the image. Just as you can see in the preview, that's exactly what happens. I can even move the image right here or anywhere on this document. So let's undo that. The third one is this one right here. This is break text. It basically puts a page break anywhere I place the image. So it actually does a line break for us. And the next one, guys, would be a behind text and then is in front of text. So this would place the image behind the text. Okay, you can place this anywhere you would like. And this is really good for backgrounds. What you could also do is in front of text, like this. Okay. And there you go, guys. It is really that easy and simple to wrap text in Google Docs.